Every morning, remember your dreams matter deeply, and your hard work today creates a brighter future for tomorrow and always. Sometimes life feels difficult, but strong people continue moving forward courageously because challenges teach valuable lessons about personal growth daily. Never give up during painful moments, because success often appears unexpectedly after patience, faith, determination, and consistent effort together eventually. When people criticize your journey, remain confident and focused, because your dreams belong completely to your heart and future alone. Small daily improvements create powerful results over time. So continue practicing confidently, learning patiently, and believing strongly within yourself constantly. Successful people also experienced failure repeatedly, yet they continued trying bravely until their determination transformed struggles into unforgettable achievements worldwide. Your difficult experiences are preparing you carefully for greater opportunities, stronger confidence, meaningful relationships, and extraordinary success ahead someday beautifully. Each new day offers another opportunity for improvement, personal growth, and positive change through discipline, courage, and hopeful thinking daily. If you fall down today, stand again tomorrow, because resilient people achieve greatness by refusing defeat and continuing forward fearlessly. Believe in your abilities completely, because confidence, dedication, and patience can transform ordinary individuals into inspirational leaders worldwide someday successfully.
Many people quit their dreams early because temporary problems make success appear impossible. But persistence changes difficult situations into powerful opportunities later. When you continue trying despite fear, disappointment, or criticism, your confidence grows stronger and your mindset becomes more positive every single day.
Life tests everyone differently, because challenges develop patience, wisdom, courage, and emotional strength needed for future responsibilities and greater achievements ahead. Sometimes progress feels extremely slow, but important success usually requires time, learning, repeated practice, and continuous improvement through difficult experiences patiently. Never compare your journey with others, because every person has different struggles, opportunities, timing, talents, and personal responsibilities throughout life completely. Your mistakes should become lessons instead of permanent regrets, because failures teach valuable experiences that guide smarter decisions and stronger future actions completely, ever. If others stop believing in you, continue believing in yourself, because self-confidence creates motivation, determination, discipline, and unstoppable energy for success eventually. Every successful person once experienced rejection, failure, embarrassment, fear, and uncertainty, but their determination helped them continue progressing forward courageously always. Hard work alone is important, but positive thinking, patience, discipline, and consistency also create powerful habits supporting personal growth and success daily. During difficult moments, remember why you started your journey, because your original dreams can provide motivation, direction, hope, and emotional strength again. Never allow temporary failures to define your future, because one difficult moment cannot decide your complete story or lifelong potential permanently, ever. Keep improving your communication skills, knowledge, confidence, and character, because personal development increases opportunities and creates better relationships with people everywhere. Sometimes success arrives unexpectedly after many disappointments, because persistence allows opportunities to appear when people continue working without surrendering hopelessly, ever. Always protect your dreams carefully, Because negative opinions from others should never control your confidence, decisions, actions, or future ambitions completely, ever. People who never give up inspire others naturally because determination, courage, resilience, and positivity influence everyone surrounding them positively every single day. Your future depends greatly on today's decisions, habits, discipline, and mindset, so continue moving forward confidently despite difficulties or temporary failures, always. Even small progress matters greatly because consistent improvement over time creates meaningful achievements, stronger confidence, and life-changing opportunities for dedicated individuals everywhere. Believe that better days are coming because patience, faith, determination, and continuous effort often produce extraordinary success after difficult periods, eventually beautifully. Never give up on yourself because your dreams, talents, abilities, and potential can create an inspiring future filled with happiness and meaningful achievements.